Okay, so I'm gonna hold on. I haven't been getting as many videos this time through the crazy water, but here we go. Enjoy, everybody. I'm gonna try to stay in the boat. Whoa. Woo-hoo. I know on camera it always looks so mellow. Water's moving pretty fast. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but I'm sure it's gonna look so smooth. Oh boy, hold on. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Hold on. Woo-hoo! Oh! Oh, that's cold. Oh God. Oh, that's freezing. That water is a cold one today. Glad my handle stayed on through all that. Oh gosh. This is moving fast. Whoa, hold on. Woohoo! Getting wet up there. Woohoo! Nice. Woo! Good job.